Hello all, welcome to Autobot YouTube channel. Myself Rahul Krishna. Today we are going to learn about a new tool from UiPath called Clipboard AI. So what is Clipboard AI? What is its use? How you can install this Clipboard AI? So all these things we are going to cover in this particular video. Right? So let's start. What is Clipboard AI? Clipboard AI is an application that can run on Windows. Clipboard AI can copy the information visible in scans, screenshots, or screens, making it instantly actionable. It combines the strength of generative and specialized AI to accomplish the required paste task. For an example, so suppose if someone is telling you to open an Excel with some 100 data and you need to copy this 100 data to some particular form, right? So maybe you will have to go to each row, you need to copy from each cell and you will have to paste it to some form, right? So this task, maybe you'll have to do it on a daily basis. How tedious it will be, right? So here nothing productive is there, like you are just copying and you're just pasting it. Maybe some manual verification may be required, but still the copy paste is just a repetitive process. So there comes the beauty of Clipboard AI. So Clipboard AI is having the capability of generative plus specialized AI to understand the data from a source, and it can understand the particular data format in the destination to make the copy paste possible. Okay, so once the data is copied from source, it will ask you for a prompt like whether the label plus data mapping is correct or not. If you want to make some changes to this data, like just consider this AI has recognized a wrong data, you can select the proper data and you can tell the system to paste this data to the particular destination, right? Also, another benefit with generative AI is like it can change the format of data, or it can generate new data based on the prompt that you're going to give in the Clipboard AI. Right, so just consider from a source you copied some currency, right? So just consider the currency is in Indian rupee and you want to convert that to dollars, right? You can give the prompt in Clipboard AI to convert that to dollar, right? And you can directly paste it to the system. So how beautiful it is, right? So you don't need to write any expression in Excel, or you don't need to do any search in Google to convert all these things, right? Directly this Clipboard AI is going to convert your data to the required format. So that is the beauty of Clipboard AI. So how you can install this particular tool? For that, you can directly go to this link. I will show you from where you can download and how you can install the Clipboard AI. So here just now I mentioned about specialized AI and generative AI. So how this generative AI and specialized AI is going to use in this Clipboard AI, right? So let us understand how it is going to work. So specialized AI is designed to complete some specific task, right? For example, if I need to copy some data from invoices, there are some predefined or pre-trained models. Those AI models we can use to fetch the data from any of the forms. For example, just consider about a passport, right? Almost the data in the passport will be same for different passports in different regions. So how this data is going to get fetched from the particular passport form? It is going to use specialized AI models and it is going to extract the data, right? And just consider if I need to change the format of any of this data to some particular format, right? So there I can use generative AI. So in generative AI, I can give the prompt and I can convert the data to any format and I can paste it to the destination application, right? So let's go to this point. Specialized AI, specific tasks like recognizing and extracting necessary information from a passport photo are managed by specialized AI. So just consider if the AI model is designed to extract the data from a passport. So that is for a specific task, right? So those are specialized AI. So we are going to use a specialized AI model for extracting the data. By focusing on details such as name, passport number, nationality, specialized AI captures the relevant data from passport photo and prepare it for travel form. Okay, so that is important. And next is generative AI. It is primarily for handling queries. Generative AI runs through the input source to adapt and reform the extracted data to provide meaningful responses when questions are asked about the input source. So that's what I'm telling. So just consider if you want to change the format of your data, maybe just consider like you want to write some details about some location that is fetched from the source. You can give a prompt like write some short note about this particular data. Generative AI will help to write a note about the data, and you can use the data to add it in the destination application, right? So that's how generative AI plus specialized AI is going to work in the clipboard AI. Okay, I hope you're getting. So let's move on and let's understand how you can do the installation process. Right. So I already provided this link in the description. So you can just go to uipath.com/product/clipboard AI. Right. Then what you have to do is just click on this right now. Okay. So just click on it. It will automatically download the clipboard AI. So as of now, this clipboard AI is designed only for Windows machine and it is not supporting Linux as well as a Mac machine at this moment, right? And there are some frequently asked questions that are already provided in this particular page. It is very much helpful, like for a beginner to understand how Clipboard AI is going to work. So is Clipboard AI open to everyone? Clipboard AI is currently in beta version and open to everyone as we continue to refine the product based on your feedback. Okay, so it is just in a beta version. So the changes it can happen at any time, and the changes will be frequent, right? And is Clipboard AI available for free? The free trial includes 100 copy and paste operation. To extend your usage beyond this free address, you must sign in as a UiPath customer. So for a community person, it is available only for 100 copy and paste operation. What languages does Clipboard AI support? Clipboard AI can use with any languages that uses the Latin alphabet such as English, Spanish, French, Italian, and more. Okay. What operating system is compatible with Clipboard AI? Clipboard AI is an application that runs on Windows. So at this moment, it is not supporting Mac as well as Linux or any other operating system. Right. So our downloading is already completed. So let me execute this MSI file. Automatically show you login. Okay, I accept the license to take remote. Click on next. Okay, click on install. That's it. So here you can see it is some copying some new files and all. It is performing the installation of the UiPath Clipboard AI. So as I mentioned, it is a desktop application, same like our UiPath assistant, right? So that is also an installation that happened in your machine. So this is again one tool from UiPath. But you need to close. Okay. So it is doing some installation of the extensions. That's why it automatically close the Edge as well as Chrome. Okay. So now it has completed the installation. Now click on finish and run Clipboard AI. So now you can see it is opening up the Clipboard AI and version is 23.9.1 and it's a preview version. So just now I mentioned now it's in the beta version and it's a preview version, right? Yeah, so you can see it has opened the Clipboard AI, and we'll walk you through our product and assist you in successfully executing a copy and paste. So this is like a assistant, right? So let me end up. So to help you get started, we'll show you how copy and paste works using example 5. So example. Okay, so here you can see it has automatically opened the pay label, and so here it will ask to just select one sample application, and here you can see a sample application is there for entry. So click on the example document to select it. Okay, click the copy button to extract it. Okay, so here you can see a copy window button is there. Just click on copy window button, and this is the destination application, right? So just click on the paste in the form. Okay, now you can see here, you can see whether your source content will be pasted in the destination, and make improvement if necessary. We'll call this a mapper. Okay, so here you can see these are the details that is automatically extracted from this input data, and you can see what all data it has copied, right? And here you can see it has extracted like a receipt. So if you want to change this type, you can directly change it as well. So what I'm going to do is, let me click on paste data. Okay, so it should have automatically copied because this is just a model, right? So next click on next and click on paste. Okay, so now you can see the data is already pasted over here. Click on just next. So this is how this clipboard AI is working, and if you want to go through the tutorial and all, you can just go through this tutorial. So let me close it. So here you can see a copy window is there and a pasting form is there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, and here there are different settings. Like if you want to set a profile, you can set the profile and what is the name and all. So it automatically taken from my profile, like from my cloud account. I downloaded these details, right? So it has automatically taken all those details. And here you can set a few preferences like extract, enable extract as table, or if you always want to show the data mapper, that also you can do. And launch on Windows Start, like whenever if you start your Windows, if you want to launch the Clipboard AI, you can enable this. And shortcuts are there. Like this is a shortcut for copy and paste. You don't need to click on this button. Instead, you can directly click on, you can directly enter these keys and you can copy and paste the data, right? And if you want to do some region selection, those details you have to provide here, like which key you have to use for doing the region selection, right? You just need to click on this and you need to press on the shortcut key to enable that, right? And paste with mapper, if you want to set, you can just select it, and if you want to reset, just click on reset to defaults. And extracting model, so currently it is using some default extracting model for extracting the data. If you want to use some other model, you have to choose what type of model you want, and it will automatically take from your account. Like if you have already added some trained model in your cloud account, it will, you can directly provide the API key as well as the URL, right? And this is for experience and all, and this is just for restarting the tutorial, right? I just clicked on cancel. Now what I'm going to do is, let me open up Chrome. Okay, let me go with a very simple example, right? So let me go to https rpa challenge.com. So let me go here and let me download this file. Download itself. So this is one sample file and sample that is available in the tutorial that is provided by UI. So let me open up this file. So this Excel sheet will be having few set of data, and I believe you are aware about this RPA challenge system. So this will automatically change the label each and every time, right? So to load the data to the system, it has to map with this particular label, and it need to input the data, right? So let me click on this Excel sheet, enable edit. Okay, and here you can see there are some certain set of data, right? And you can see first name, last name, company name, email address, phone number, everything is there. So just consider, if I want to copy paste this data, what I have to do? I will have to copy this. I will have to go here. I will have to paste it. So it is really a boring and tedious repetitive work, right? I need to copy paste the. So the requirement is like we need to copy paste this entire data to this particular form, right? So what I'm going to do is, let me keep this Excel open. Okay, and here I'm going to select this entire Excel cells. Okay, and I'm going here, just select a copy cells, or I can use Control Alt plus C shortcut key as well. Just give Control copy. Okay, now you can see it is analyzing and copied as Excel. And where you need to paste, I don't want to paste it in the Excel, right? So I need to paste it over here. So what I'm going to do, okay, paste in form, right? Let me click here. So the system will automatically understand the data that is already fetched, and here you can see it is automatically writing the data, right? It is writing the data that I copied from the system, and it is pasting in the destination application, right? And see, here it is, here you can see we have copied around 10 rows of data, right? So that's why first copy paste is completed. Again, it is asking whether we can proceed with the second set of data. So if I click on paste data, means it will erase the existing data and it will proceed in pasting the next set of data. Okay, so what it is doing, it is automatically identifying this label and it is doing this data insertion, right? So that is the benefit of benefit of using this particular clipboard AI. Okay, so I hope you are understanding. If you want to proceed with again with the copy paste, means you can click on paste data. It will paste the next set of data. So let me refresh this, and you can see the labels are getting changed, right? Again, let me click on paste data. So it automatically identify the labels and it is doing the insertion, right? And the insertion is happening from the first first field, right? And here the data in the Excel is not in the same format, like first name, last name, company name, like that. So whichever comes the first cell, it is automatically identifying that field and it is doing the insertion, right? If you want to cancel this copy paste, just click on cancel. So this is how this clipboard AI is going to work along with the user. So if user want to do some verification on the data before pasting, he can verify. He can continue with the pasting of data, right? So how beautiful it is. You don't need to do any manual work to copy and paste, and you don't need to identify the field in the destination application, right? So system will automatically do that part, and if you want to change the data, that is also available. I hope you are getting. I will be coming with more useful data in the coming videos, and let me show you how this specialized AI and the generative AI is going to work together. Right? So just now we have seen how this specialized AI is working. I will show you how this generative AI is also going to work. Right? Okay, so for demo of how generative AI is going to work, I'm going to use the same set of data and our RPA challenge application. Okay, so one thing what I have to do is you have to go here and you need to enable this always show data mapper. Okay, so in data mapper you can modify the format of the data to the desired format. Right? So this generative AI is coming into picture. Just click on save. Then what you do just click on copy cells. Here you can see it is analyzing, right? As we have enabled the mapper, 1 minute, go here, just click on paste in form. Okay, so if you click on paste in form, you can see mapper will open. So it will open up the mapper, and there you can modify the data. So just consider you don't want to copy some particular data. For example, you don't want to paste your email ID, means you can just disable it. Right, so if you disable, then the paste will not happen, okay, to the destination application. So here you can see ignore as paste, and just consider you want to change the email address to some different format, or you want to write something about your rolling company. Here comes the transform value, or here comes the beauty of generative AI. So just click on this, just give some prompt. Okay, write something about the role. Okay, just click on paste. Okay, let's click on paste data. So here you can see John email address, and here you can see the role was analyst, and it is typing like analyst is a role that involves gathering some data like that. Okay, so here comes the role of generative AI. So by giving the prompt, write something about the role, it automatically identify analyst as the role and it throws some details about the analyst, right? And here you can see the role is medical engineer and it is writing some data about medical engineers, right? So this is how you can transform your data to the required format and you can submit that in the destination application. Okay. I hope you got a clear understanding about how this Clipboard AI is going to work with the powerful generative AI and specialized AI technologies, right? So I'll be coming up with more useful use cases in the coming sessions. So this is just an intro about Clipboard AI and how Clipboard AI is going to help you in your daily work related activities, right? So if you find this video useful, please like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching the video. Bye.